Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to find the inverse of a function. So here I have four different functions we will talk about. Linear function, square root function, also third one we have cube root function, and fourth one is rational function. So step to end, you will see all different functions, how we can find inverse of a function. And make sure you grab your notebook and pen so you can take your notes. All right, it's very simple step-by-step instruction here in this video. Very easy, okay? So just be patient. Find the inverse of a function. We just need to follow these four steps. Okay, so step one says replace f of x with y in the original equation. So here we have f of x, we will just replace y. Y equal 4x minus 9. Second step says interchange x and y. So we will write x equal 4y minus 9. Did you notice what we did? We just interchange x and y. All right. Next step we have solve for y. So what does that mean? We all knew what does that mean is we will try to keep y by itself, right? So we have to solve for y. So how we can solve? We have to remove 9. Here is subtraction, so we add 9 on both sides. Now, next step we have x plus 9 equal 4y. Here we have multiplication 4 times y. So we can divide by 4. So now we can see we have y by itself. So we solve for y. Last step, replace y with f inverse x, right? That's how we read. So we can say f inverse x equal x plus 9 over 4, and that's it. So that's how you read this. F inverse x equal x plus 9 over 4, and that's it. All right, so second problem, try to do your own. Same step we need to follow. Pause this video, try to check how you can do, and check your answer with me. All right, let's see next one. So first thing we can see here, we have square root function, right? We have square root sign, so it's square root function. Same things, 4 steps we need to do. What is my step 1? Everyone remember, right? What is step 1? Replace f of x with y. So we will write y equal 2 times square root x plus 3. Second step, we have interchange x and y. So we will write x equal 2 times y plus 3. Next step, solve for y. So we have to keep y by itself. So how we can solve? Remember how to solve square root equation. So we can see here we have this part we will isolate. So we can remove 2 from here. And here is multiplication, right? 2 times square root of. So we can divide by 2 on both sides. So now we have x over 2 equal y plus 3. Now how we can remove the square root? So we need to do inverse operation, or you can say opposite operation. Here is the square root, right? My index is 2. So whatever root, that many power we need to do. So we have index 2. We have to do square on both sides. All right. So square of x square plus x, square of x over 2, which is x square over 4, equal. These 2 cancel. Left over is y plus 3. Now, next step, we need to remove 3 from here. So now we have x square over 4 minus 3 equal y. So 3 steps we did. Now last step is replace y with f inverse x. So now we can write final answer is f inverse x equal x squared over 4 minus 3, and that's it. What did you find? Your answer. I'm pretty sure you found correct. All right, let's see third one. Third one, what do we have? We can see we have radical, but look at that index. Index we have 3, right? So it's cube root function we have. Same steps. We have first step is replace f of x with y. So we will write y equal cube root of 5x minus 7. Next step, interchange x and y. Okay. So remember you write down 3 as index. Now next step we have to solve for y. So we have to keep y by itself. And we have cube root. In this cube root is on whole thing. So how we can remove this cube root? Remember, whatever root, that many power we need to do on both sides. So we can see we have index 3. So we have to do power 3 on both sides. All right, so x cube equal. Now this index 3 and power 3 cancel out. Left over is 5y minus 7. And then we can solve for y. So we can add 7 on both sides. So x cubed plus 7 equal 5y. And then we can divide by 5. So what is left over? We solve for y. X cubed plus 7 over 5 equal y. And last step, remember last step what it is? Just replace f inverse x equal x cubed plus 7 over 5. And that's it. Now, you found correct answer. All right, let's see last one. What do we have? We have rational function. How we can decide it is rational or not? We can see in denominator, right? If it's in bottom, we have variable. Any variable we have in denominator, that is rational function. All right, so now let's see here. Step 1, same step again. 4 steps we need to follow to find inverse function. So try to do by yourself and check your answer with me. Replace f of x with y. So same step, remember. 9x minus 1 over x minus 2. Next step, interchange x and y. So x equal 9y minus 1 over y minus 2. Next step, we have solve for y. We can see we have y, we have 2 different places we have. And we can see we have one fraction on right-hand side. This side also we can write fraction. If we don't have anything, we can write 1 under. And then you can check, we can do cross multiplication on this. Both sides, we can do cross multiplication here. Look at this. So we can check, we can do cross multiplication. Before we will do cross multiplication, make sure you do parentheses. So you will not forget to use distributive property because we have 2 terms here. Okay, so we can write x times y minus 2 equal 1 times 9y minus 1. Next step, we can use distributive property. So xy minus 2x equal 9y. We are multiplying by 1, so you will get exactly same. Now what? We can see here we have y, we have here and here. Anytime if we solve for any specific variable and we have in more than one term, we will try to keep all y term on one side and all other variable and number on other side. Right, so I can remove this 9y from here, or you can remove this 2x on other side first. Right, so we can write xy equal 9y plus 2x minus 1. Now we can remove 9y on other side. Equal 2x minus 1. Now we can see we have y is GCF, right? Y is GCF. So we can take it out. Leftover is inside parenthesis. We have x minus 9 equal 2x minus 1. Now we can see we have this parenthesis, right? We have y is only here. And it's just multiplication, so we can divide by x minus 9 on both sides. So that is cancel y equal 2x minus 1 over x minus 9. That's it. We solve for y. So now we can write fourth step. Replace f inverse x equal to x minus 1 over x minus 9. And that's it. Okay, so if you will see here, that's rational function we did. So you can check only 4 steps you need to do. Make sure you remember this 4 step. Check your answer with me. All right. Have a good one. And if you like this video, if it's helpful, make sure you like, thumbs up, and subscribe. All right. See you in next video.